OLLIS, we make beautiful, practical cookware for the contemporary kitchen. Cookware that's chemical-free, made to last, and always has food at the heart. We've redesigned and combined two kitchen essentials. Introducing the Foundry Pan, a dual-purpose skillet and Dutch oven that modernises cast iron, whilst harnessing its incredible cooking qualities that will last a lifetime.
It's the kind of piece that you would keep out to have on show, almost like an ornament.
If you love cooking for people, your cookware should make the experience enjoyable and beautiful, but that's often not the case.
Bad cookware is a false economy, and I will no longer add things to my kitchen that won't last.
Research shows the average pan lasts approximately just 2 years, with 80% ending in landfill. These pans often use harmful forever chemicals, proven to have significant health risks and can't be recycled or broken down, meaning the pans don't last long, but the harmful chemicals will last forever. The OLLIS Dutch oven and skillet are toxin-free and break free from standard size and shape, thoughtfully crafted from the highest quality materials but kept at a sensible price. Our cookware is about buying once and buying well. The pan's larger cooking surface lets you bake, fry, sauté, grill, stew, poach, or deep fry, savoury or sweet, and of course, you can fry an egg. The 4 layers of enamel are individually furnace hardened to create a coating that's durable, long-lasting, and chemical-free. It works on all heat sources: gas, electric, induction, and oven, making it the most versatile material to cook with.
Cast iron is always my #1 go-to when it comes to cooking.
The generous handles give it a unique, timeless look. They reduce heat transfer and provide extra stability when cooking and carrying. Cast iron is heavy. It's supposed to be. That's what gives it its superior cooking quality. Brought together, they form a Dutch oven, trapping moisture inside during cooking and keeping food at its best, allowing you to cook, combine, and serve in a pan that elevates your cooking and presentation.
I would love to have a pan beautiful like that to be a centerpiece on my dining table.
Enamelled in 2 colours inspired by nature, deep moss green and limestone sand. That fits with any kitchen.
It's the kind of pan that I would leave out. I love its form, I love its shape. It's a beautiful thing.
The light colour inside offers better visibility while cooking and cleans perfectly after use. Like all enamel, it will patina over time, but unlike other non-stick surfaces, it won't lose its properties. For the cast iron purists and those that love to cook on open fire, we've made an enamel-free version. Its natural seasoning makes it non-stick even at the highest temperatures, and virtually indestructible, meaning we've got a pan for everyone. So, who are OLLIS? Our small team has big expertise, consisting of art directors, food stylists, trained chefs, industrial designers, and media production. This means they can concept, design, prototype, and test all in-house. It's a recipe made in heaven, or at least in Hackney, East London, where OLLIS is based. Help OLLIS make affordable, sustainable, long-lasting, chemical-free cookware. Good for the planet, your cooking, and the people you'll share it with.